Happy Saturday! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bounce. So, it is currently 11 o'clock in the morning. And, nandito yung mga kids natin guys. Ilalabas natin sila. So, today we are going to celebrate baby Celine's 4th birthday. So, alam ko yung birthday niya guys, August pa. But then, life happened. Sobrang busy guys. We did celebrate like as a family. Pumunta kami ng Eka, like Brisbane Shore. And then the day after that, with the cousins, yung mga relatives ko dito sa Brisbane guys. But then, yung isa na hindi namin nagawa is mag-celebrate with Celine's friends. So, birthday ko 2 weeks ago. And then, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike na I don't wanna do, well, I don't normally do anything for myself anyways, pag birthday ko. So, napag-isipan namin na we will organize like a birthday party for Celine with her friends. So, dito sa Bounce guys, nag-book kami ng parang package nila for 10 kids ng birthday package. And so, we invited another 8 kids, mga friends na baby Celine and Ate Paris, to celebrate with us. Here is the birthday girl. Say hello.
Hello.
Come here. I'll go outside. It's very tight here. Go that side. And, yes, so 12 o'clock yung ano namin dito guys. Maaga kami kasi alam niyo ba, yung friend ko, si Amy, di ba? Friend ni Ate Paris siya ni Celine. Si Irene and Anya. Both parents kasi guys, they're working kasi Saturday. So sabi ko, you know, I don't want the kids to miss out. So dinap ko dito si Daddy Mike yung mga kids. Ayan first, and then I'm gonna go back drive up to Balimba para pick upin yung grandma nila tsaka yung dalawang kids para maka-join pa rin sila sa ano ni Baby Celine. Hi, Daddy.
Daddy, just leave it in the car.
Here is the birthday girl. Say hi.
Daddy, don't put it there. I don't want to put it there.
Say hi. Wala ka muna kasi it's raining na.
Put it in there.
You just put it there, Baba. Yeah, just this car. So, kasi nag-book kami ng package na guys. We didn't have to do anything. Like sila yung nag-provide ng food, ng how do you call it? Party bags, yeah. So, yung dadalhin lang namin is yung cake. So, nag-stop kami on our way here. Bili kami ng cake. And,
Can we go
then,
now?
of course! Hey, you have to wait for Daddy. Okay. Well, be good with Daddy, okay?
Okay.
Hello, kasi sana. How are you? Morning.
Sam.
Hi.
Go back there.
Wait, is Leo's here?
Are we the ones?
No, we just got here.
What's your favorite go-to?
Guys, sabi niya
I don't like all the time seeing you like your skin.
yung prank ko niya, sabi niya hindi daw siya pumunta. Sabi niya nasa Gold Coast daw siya.
I want you in there, your skin. Palit na ko po sa
You gonna give this to Celine?
Give it Celine, and then Celine can put it there. Wow. What do you say?
It's your dress.
What surprise!
Thank you.
Come on, get it. It's yours. It's for your birthday. What do you say?
Thank you.
What do you say?
I said already.
Oh, thank you. Picture daw with Tita. Picture with Tita. Hey. Celine, you go. Go, boys.
A few moments later.
Happy birthday. Hi, Ling Ling.
There we go. All right. I'm not even jumping on
I've got your back.
Feel free to talk to any of
Are you having fun? Three. Hey, tayo pa. B, help yourself. Sandwich and everything. Dapat ito man sana sa mga kids sa sandwich. Sa mga nanay, itong, ano eh.
They want the pizza. They can resist the pizza.
Yeah.
Pizza.
Do you want help, anak?
The watermelon's good. The one I had yesterday sucked from Woolies.
You want watermelon? Did you get this place now?
What's this?
What's
this? Huh?
It's an invisible substance.
Yes, yeah, ma'am.
Chicken ham. Ali, sandwich.
I'll get one too hot.
Pizza only.
Come sit down.
Are you finished?
We'll sit down.
That's the kind I have for my 7th birthday. Well, for my 6th birthday. And then sit next to me.
Yay!
Alright, everybody. Alright.
The fire can change color. Blue one.
Just quickly before we sing happy birthday to Celine, just want to say thanks to everybody for coming. We're a little tiny bit late for Celine's birthday this year, but we got there in the end. So, Celine, count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Celine. Happy birthday to you. Big blood.
Make a wish and big love.
Whoa! Come on.
Alright, guys. Alright, 1, 2, 3, smile. One more. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Happy birthday, Balloon. Happy birthday, my Balloon. Time check, it's now 2:27 ng hapon, guys. And kanina pang 1:40 natapos yung party ni Celine. Kaya lang, kaya lang, yung dalawang friend niya talaga, guys, na girls, ayan, like sila ang dumating. Like dumating sila tapos na, guys. Kaya napag-isipan namin na para makapaglaro muna sila, umili kami ng extra hour para sa kanila, para sa mga kids. So, Ate Paris, nandun na sa mga kaibigan niya. Andito ako. I'm looking after these 3 little girls here. So, andito kami hanggang 2:40 para makapag, sila, laro-laro pag may time. Tignan niyo, oh. Enjoy na enjoy yan, oh. Yung naka-pink, yan yung best friend ni Baby Celine, guys, sa kanyang school. Good job, Lene! Good job, girls! Good job! The party is over. I'll get Celine shoe na lang. Food lang.
Is that Celine?
Okay. Shoes on? Good girls. Can it help?
Celine
Paris.
is on.
So, iwan si Daddy Mike tsaka si Celine doon. Guys, ihatid ko na naman sila sa bahay.
Can we go toilet before?
Oh, yeah. You will go toilet first, Mom.
Well, because I just wanna tell you because what. Guys, we're gonna unbox our presents now. So, Celine, which one's gonna open first? I want to open that one.
This one? Okay. Well, this one here, I think that's from...
Lego. Would you like to get the card off first?
Yeah.
So we can get help with the card.
Arthur will read the card to you. Oh, cute!
Wow! What is it?
Design your own bracelets.
Wow, Celine! Do you like it?
Okay.
Okay.
Will read the card.
Happy birthday. Dear Celine, happy birthday. I love playing with you. You are so cute. Love, Leo. What?
Hey! What do you say to Leo?
You are so cute.
What do you say to Leo?
What do you say?
Yanko.
No. So cute. So Leo, go with that one. See?
Oh, so cute. Okay, what's the next present?
Next one. Get the bin. Ready? Bin.
This one. The green one?
Oh, that's sets, I think.
Yeah, this one's set.
Seppi!
Oh, I like the bag. The feeling's nice.
Did I can say Seth?
It's
Oh, that's for the thing. Seth chose it for you.
Celine, look, there's glitter on the
Okay,
side. for you.
Mama will read the card.
Oh, yeah, that's all.
Artist.
That's not mine.
Okay, you read it too, Celine.
Celine, hope you will enjoy the dress. Happy birthday to Celine. Don't forget, more candles mean more opportunities for birthday wishes to come true. Happy birthday from Seth.
Seth wrote that.
I think it's a dress.
Yes.
See? Enjoy it. It is.
Oh.
Oh my
Oh!
god. Look how pretty it is. Do you want to show them? Oh, look guys. Celine got this beautiful
Oh, that's so
dress
beautiful.
from
Are you gonna
Seth.
wear that for Steph one day?
To school? You wear it to
Are
school.
you wear it to
so
school?
Seth can see it.
What do you say? What do you say to Steph?
Thank you.
Thank you, Seth.
Do you want me?
Put that away. Where's the other one? We'll put that away.
What's
Where's
the
that
other
one? Where is it? Where's the bracelet thing?
Oh, here.
Oh, okay.
On the Celine.
Put it away here. Okay. You can
Thank you,
open it.
Steph.
Thank you, Seth.
You can pick a little bit of a bigger one now. Can I pick that small one?
You can pick anyone you want.
Okay.
That's from Sarah.
Sarah.
See what you got. No, Sarah didn't get any presents.
This should be-
This one. This is
is
from
it.
Sarah.
She got you both of them, the big one and the small one.
Oh, this is interesting.
This one's very.
I'd love to see this.
I want to see what you got. Uh-huh. What is it? The book.
Oh.
Look how cute the book is. Is it a book?
Was
I think it's a pencil case. Yeah, it is. Oh, it's a caravan.
You can open it now. We'll have a look inside now. Here's a zipper.
There's a zipper.
So cute.
wow. Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you, Sarah.
Oh,
Wow. Wait,
wow.
what's it? There.
Is that what is it?
Well, very nice. Look,
It's a
Daddy.
pencil case. Look.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, can I see?
What do you say to Sarah?
What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
You love Sarah?
Wow, you're such a lucky girl.
Where's the snip?
Such a lucky girl.
Do you love Sarah, Lee?
Wearing a big liner.
Hang it.
Okay, put it here, Ati.
Which one? You can pick one of the big ones. So would you like to take one out? There's two ones.
Okay.
There's two.
Oh, what's this from?
I think that one's from Alicia. Because like, remember you said she
Oh,
bought two?
there's two. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
She bought four.
Yeah, this is a card. Yeah, this is from Alicia. Oh, sorry, enough.
Can I read the card?
Yeah, wow. That's both from Alicia, yeah?
Yeah.
So many inside.
Two Celine from Alicia.
Oh, get it!
Hey!
Wow! Let me read the card.
Yeah.
I can't open it.
Alicia.
Thank you, Alicia. Celine loves it. Let's see what she got first.
Rubbish. Whoa, that's so nice. Wow.
Mommy.
Oh, look lang. Read it lang.
Happy birthday, Celine.
Go on.
Hope you have an amazing day filled with happiness. Love, Alicia. Have a wonderful time.
Wow.
Did you close it?
Any chicken underneath? Chicken. Chicken.
That was my friend.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Mama, sneeze it. Mama. Give me the other present.
Chicken, banana.
Oh, yeah, I love these ones.
Keep the card here. Oh, wow.
I think this one's going to be a good one.
Everything's good.
I know.
Hey, boy.
She goes bubble blaster.
Oh my god, you're so lucky.
Yay. That's so cool, Celine. Today.
Wow.
Wow.
Thank you, Alicia.
Thank you, Alicia.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mama.
There's more. There's more there from Alicia.
Thank you, Auntie Alicia.
Do this one first. Yeah. This one's heavy. Yeah, that one's heavy. That's really big. This one might be like.
They're really rough there. There's so many from Alicia. Look. Oh my goodness.
And she has 140 pieces. What? Oh my god. Look, turn it around. I think there's something cool on the side. Look, Mommy. Seriously, look.
Inspiration art case. Wow.
Oh, that's so cool. Can you help me? I'm telling you, I love this one. I love this gift. Yeah.
Sharks?
Wow.
It's
That's really cool. Jeez, Lane, you got a lot. Auntie should be playing with your pencils quite a bit, aren't you, Auntie?
yeah, it has. What did you get?
Oh.
Oh my god, Lane! Lady!
Lane, how much did you get? Look. She got Barbie set.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
No, everything. Oh, look.
Oh, wait, that's actually cooler than I thought it would.
Oh, that's very nice. So you can put it in the pantry.
It looks better in real life than in the photo.
Where's the next one now?
I'll get it.
Oh my goodness.
I'll get Petra's one.
Louie, back off, mate.
This one's Petra's one. I'll just open it in the
Oh, this one. This one. Oh, you want it? Oh, no.
That's Alicia.
Keep this one, Daddy.
You got it from David Jones.
David Jones.
This Lane from Petra.
You remember that? David Jones?
Oi.
Hi guys, we're at David Jones.
They got something from David Jones.
But it's probably a gift receipt, yeah? Just okay. Dear Celine, from Petra.
Mama.
Did you play with Petra?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
That's interesting. I've never actually seen that.
Okay.
That's.
Oh, that is so cute. Look, in that. Show them.
Can I keep the packaging? I like the package.
You keep the packaging lang, which is
And that box.
they will be able to use them. Reuse ba?
It's okay. I can do it.
It's okay.
Can you say kiss again, Daddy?
Goes again.
Nak, here lang. Pull this one. Here you go. Oh.
What do I do? Something from David Jones.
Here lang.
Just tape. Just tape. This tape, Mama.
Okay, can you do it?
I can't do it. I can do the rest of it.
Such a lucky girl you are, Celine.
Jeez, that burger was full.
Did it.
Yeah.
Oh, cutie.
I wasn't expecting it to be wrapped. Do you want me to read the card? Oh, that was from C.
Open it up. No, open the bag so you don't break anything. Wow, is this fashion?
Oh! Mama, that headband looks like Petra's. Here's adult. Want me to read the card?
Oh,
Be careful.
Read the card. Bobby.
yes again. Open it up, Liam.
Oh, that's so cute.
Do you like it, Mummy?
See, there's some on the side.
Yeah,
It's okay.
Huh?
It's okay.
You think Celine's gonna like this bag?
Oh,
You think Celine will love it?
of course.
Even the card's cute.
Show me.
Oh, round.
Oh,
Wow, that's cute.
Celine.
Hey.
Look at the card.
Oh my goodness.
Dear Celine, a lot of love from
Nini.
me and Petra. Happy birthday, Celine.
How about this time?
Yellow.
Say thank you to.
Petra.
Thank you, Petra.
Thank you, Petra. Oh, lovely, Baba.
Bobby.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
Thank you,
I
Petra.
remember that one. I love that one.
This is the best one so far.
Let me open this one.
Shut up, Bob. In my opinion. Alright.
I have a magical book.
Who's that from, Mom? Ah, from Ellie. This from Ellie.
Oh.
But this video is definitely not moving to my phone. It's already like 14 minutes.
Oh my god. Celine.
Oh,
Oh my god.
wow, that is so big.
Oh, mate. Wow.
See, that is amazing.
This could be the best birthday present ever.
Ever.
Celine.
What's in there, Ling? Is it like a whole house?
Yeah.
Ah.
It's this.
Celine, I think you've got the best birthday presents I've ever seen.
Amazing enough. You say thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.